Markets are at all-time highs. What's the big deal? The last 6 months as I moved throughout the marketplace speaking with clients and with professionals, I'm recurrently seeing a narrative. It's that if the markets are at all-time highs, doesn't that mean that we're going to have an eventual great fall like we did in 2007 and back in the year 2000? The problem with this narrative is that it's fundamentally flawed. I decided to do a little research. If you go back to January of 1926 and you looked at monthly intervals of the S&P 500, you get roughly 1,040 data marks. Out of those 1,040 months, how many times do you think the market hit an all-time high? 296 to be exact, which is basically one every 3.5 months. So think about that for a minute. It happens very frequently that we had all-time highs during that roughly 90 years of data. What does this tell us? It means that market all-time highs are just interim situations in the ever upward march of equities. The way to see this graphically, here are multiple market segments going all the way back to 1926 on a log scale, not even on arithmetic, which shows a tremendous compounding effect of equities over the long run. And the ever onward march upward. Remember, focus on your fundamental principles. The principles at play here are when you invest in stocks, fundamentally you're investing in people that go to work and they innovate and they produce new products, new services for those in the world that need help. In other words, food, gasoline, energy, technology. And as long as innovation and productivity continue to increase, and as long as the world population continues to increase, making more and more demand for those products and services, equities can do nothing but go up. Will there be interim situations where we have market declines? Absolutely. But as we have population growth, innovation, and productivity, the long-term outlook for equities always looks strong. Remember, work with your fiduciary that helps you focus on your investment plan, grounded in fundamental economic and investment principles.